Hey guys, Ishan here. Today we're going to be talking about functions and specifically what makes a function. So with that, let's get started. Okay, you should be able to see my screen. So remember, a function is when every input has exactly one output. And this means that the function can't have zero, or every input has to have exactly one output. It can't have zero outputs, and it can't have more than one output. So we're going to examine these four scenarios and see are each of these functions or not. So diving deeper into this first one over here, I see that 0 has two outputs, one to -2 and another to 1. Now, this violates our definition that every input has exactly one output. So, no, this is not going to be a function. But let's look at this example for number 2. I see that 1 has one output, and that's D. 2 has one output, and that's B. 3 has one output, and that's A. And 4 has one output, that's also A. So, does it matter that 3 and 4 have the same output? Not really, because remember, in a function, every input has exactly one output. But we never say anything about outputs having uh, not being inputted to or being inputted to twice or more than twice. That's okay. All we care about is every input having exactly one output. And that's exactly what we see here. So this is going to be a function. So now let's look at the third example. In our domain, we have all 203 students. So that's you guys. And for our codomain, we have unique names. So if you remember, unique names by definition are unique to every individual. And you are going to have exactly one unique name. You chose that when you entered this university. So because the input, the output is going to be you to one unique name, then exactly one unique name, this is indeed going to be a function. And now finally we have our fourth example. So in this case, the domain is ice cream flavors, and the codomain is again all 203 students. So we want a function that maps each ice cream flavor to every student who 203 student who likes that flavor. Well, do you think this is a function? Let's see. Let's take for example chocolate. I'm just going to assume that more than one person likes chocolate. So I know that I like chocolate, Emily Wall likes chocolate, um, Ashu likes chocolate, Brian U likes chocolate, and granted we're all IAs, but just pretend we're students. I'm sure more than one student likes chocolate ice cream. So in this case, ice cream is going to chocolate is going to have more than one output, and because of that it can't be a yeah, it's not going to be a function. So I hope that helps you better understand what is and what's not a function, and just remember this key phrase, exactly one output, because that at its core defines what a function is. See you guys next time.